Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my project Knee Care, a pain relieving assistive device for arthritis patient. Arthritis is very common in India. That is, over 15% of the population is affected by it in India. Most signs of arthritis are joint inflammation, pain, swelling, and so on. Also, it is clinically tested that women are more likely to be affected with arthritis than men.
These are the different types of arthritis.
This is what a healthy knee looks like with proper padding of cartilage and synovial fluid. But when the joint gets affected with osteoarthritis, there is a gradual loss of cartilage resulting in rubbing of bones and hence causing pain and swelling. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis in the developed as well as the developing countries.
The most commonly affected joint due to arthritis is the knee joint.
The main causes for osteoarthritis are aging, injury, being overweight, lack of exercises, diabetes, and it also depends on the gender. The pain can be controlled by medication, no drug pain relief methods, and surgery. But here we are concentrating on the no drug pain relief methods, which are acupressure, massage or exercise, and joint protection. After conducting several interviews with patients and doctors, the common problems faced by the patients were pain was maximum after waking up in the morning. Standing for a long period of time worsens the pain. Trying to stand up from sitting position after a long period of time also worsens the pain. And massaging the knee joint helps. Whereas the doctor suggested to avoid standing jobs, give rest to the joint as much as possible, not to apply heat on the swollen joints, and also to stimulate the joint to increase the blood flow. Henceforth, I conducted an obtrusive research. There are two patients of arthritis in my home, and I studied them precisely for a few days. The common thing that came out from those observations were that they used to massage their joints once or twice a day, depending on the pain intensity. But usually their hands would get strained from continuous massaging their knees, hence, this called for an opportunity.
These are few of the products that I studied that are available in the market.
The analysis based on the prior data collected were there were ample amount of knee guards and braces that would suffice the need for the patients. There are also different type of portable and foldable seats in the market, but what it lacks is a dedicated knee massage device that would replicate the hand massage gesture to soothe and stimulate the joints. Hence, the scope was defined as to design an assistive device for arthritis patient that could reduce the swelling or pain and increase the blood circulation of the joint by mimicking the hand massage and acupressure techniques. These are the pain locations in and around the knee joint, and these are the pressure points to relieve the knee pain joint. A pillow can be provided to lift the knee during the massage session as well. This supports the knee from below and makes the massage more effective. My aim here is to mimic the hand massage gesture to stimulate the blood flow and reduce the swelling around the knee joint.
These are the initial conceptual sketches.
Some more conceptual sketches for knee massage braces with integrated air pockets, roller balls, and red light therapy. This base uses the airbag controlled by the air compressor to lift the knee up and down. This helps in massaging the knee patella and also to increase the blood flow. This base will also address the upper half of the calf muscle for better relief. In this concept, both rollers and airbags were tried in combination for both the upper and lower part of the knee joint. In this, multiple airbags were placed around the knee joint to create pressure, which would be controlled by a remote. The final concept was that the massage balls will move around the kneecap in a rotational as well as in an up and down motion, replicating the actual massage techniques. This is my final concept selected for the final design. The massage ball moves around the kneecap in a rotational as well as in an up and down motion simultaneously, replicating the actual massage techniques of a hand. This is the final rendered view of the product knee care. This is a scenario showing how the knee care can be used. This is the conceptual mock-up of the knee care that I made at home.
Thank you.